The main reason horror is one of the best game genres for VR is immersion. All right, that's it. The video's done. I've stated the obvious. Just go home. It's over. But no, seriously, what makes VR better than flat screen in general is the fact that you're immersed into the game. You're not looking at it through a window. You're actually in the game world, experiencing it firsthand. For some genres of games, that immersion isn't necessary. You don't need to be inside of the world to play a platformer, for example. In fact, I'd argue that trying to play a platformer like Mario in VR is actually worse than just playing it flat screen. But for horror games, the whole point is to get that rush from surviving whatever evil spawn is coming to kill you. And being immersed in the world through VR just makes that feeling so much more impactful. Playing a horror game on flat screen, I can just take my hands off the mouse and keyboard and I'm out of that world. But in VR, the only way to escape it is by throwing a $1,000 headset on the floor or running straight into your TV. This is advertiser Panda interrupting this video because even if horror is the best VR game, better than Half-Life Alyx, how can you enjoy it when you can't see anything? Yes, that's right, you won't be pissing your pants in phasmophobia if you're blind. That's why you need VR Wave prescription lenses. These lenses attach to your headset lenses to replace your glasses, because nobody likes the inconvenience of playing with glasses anyways. And even if you don't wear glasses, they protect your headset lenses, provide a blue light filter that's better than software filters, and they're freaking cool. I mean, look at them, they have magnets. Magnets are cool. Pick some up at the link in the description and use coupon code VIRTUALPANDA for 5% off. Part of what makes VR horror so good is that they're much better at passing the so-called visual Turing test than other VR genres, assuming you take out the crazy jankiness that comes with playing these kinds of indie VR games. In the pursuit of making VR indistinguishable from reality, Meta has developed several prototypes to tackle different types of problems. One such problem is creating a high dynamic resolution display that's much brighter and darker than what we currently have. Currently, a Quest 2 can emit about 100 nits of light, but a standard indoor environment can reach well past 10,000 nits. Which means we need a Quest 2 to be 100 times brighter to accurately simulate a well-lit environment. But horror games, I think you know where I'm going with this. You don't need 10,000 nits to simulate a dark, creepy, cult-worshipping sex dungeon. While an HDR display always makes it more realistic even for darker environments, the 100 nits that a Quest 2 can produce is enough for most dark horror environments to feel realistic. Now, if only they had kept the OLED screens from Quest 1 for those really dark blacks, we'd be golden for super immersive dark horror games. The best VR game of all time, Half-Life Alyx, unless you're a Boneworks hipster, even Half-Life Alyx is in many respects a horror game, taking advantage of the immersion and dark environments ideal for virtual reality. I mean, just the Half-Life Alyx loading screen is absolutely terrifying, with this weird fat dude slowly turning towards you. It actually made my girl scream when she saw it for the first time. Not to mention the pitch black darkness of the quarantine zone, or the thriller that is Jeff. Beyond Half-Life Alyx, we have tons of single-player horror games, but since I'm a pussy, I much prefer multiplayer horror games like Phasmophobia, which I have more hours in than Boneworks and Half-Life Alyx combined. And now this week, we have a brand new multiplayer VR horror game that I'd argue is even better than Phasmophobia. Devour is the demon spawn of Slenderman hooking up with Phasmophobia in a back alleyway. The basic objective is to find 10 ritual objects and destroy them in some way. The way you go about doing that and the exact object you're destroying is different on every single map, which gives the game a lot of replayability. In one map, you're burning books, in another you're cleansing spider eggs, another you're electrocuting rats, and in the first one we tried, you're collecting and burning cute little demon goats.
Bro, these goats are tiny fuckers and they have little demon eyes. Can I take one home, please?
No, you don't want to take that home. Those are evil goats.
Bro, look at them. They're so cute with their little demon eyes and their little bodies.
A few moments later.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Every time you destroy one of the ritual objects or animals, the main antagonist that's chasing you freaks out and becomes more and more angry and dangerous, kind of like in Slenderman.
All right, we got 10 left. There are 9 left. Now she's gonna be angry.
I can tell, Soul. You don't have to tell me she's angry when she's fucking screaming.
The actual plot is that one of Azazel's followers has done some sort of ritual and has been taken over by Azazel themselves, or some crap like that. It's pretty difficult to get too deep into the lore when you have a sexy demon lady chasing you.
Hey, lady, you're kind of cute.
Hey, don't look up her skirt.
I'm just trying to get a little peek. I want to see Satan pussy.
All right, we're good. We're good.
Hey, baby. Dude, I was just trying to give her a kiss and she murdered me. That was so sad.
What did you expect?
I thought she was stunned. Oh, wait. Now that I'm dead, I can see up her skirt. It is not pretty. Let me just tell you that. That was not.
Now, you may think I'm joking about her being sexy, but strangely enough, there's something inherently sensual about the game and the way it's presented, and I just can't put my finger on it. It could be the big titty goat lord, or the naked demon spawn coming out of the ground, or it could be the sexy voice acting.
USA 2006.
Ooh.
California's Coyote Valley is
That's
blistering
sensual.
under the
I
summer
didn't know this was
sun.
going to be that kind of game. In the lore, you're also one of the cult's most trusted followers coming to save their beloved leader. You choose from several different character models with customizable outfits and abilities that you can get by playing the game or through microtransactions.
Oh, be the anime chick. Go back. Be the anime chick. You were hot. Yes, be that one. That one's also hot.
Bro, I should have been you, because your
Bro.
face looks like me in real life.
Bro, you look like you're about to Kung Fu Panda me to oblivion.
These
Got some
hands
cheeks,
are
bro.
fucking licensed.
I'm not
Okay.
worried about your hands. I'm more worried about your face.
And like I said before, they have several different maps, each with unique themes ranging from a Western theme, which is perfect since I've been addicted to playing Red Dead Redemption 2 and blowing up another kind of cult there, to a Japanese inn theme.
The end is like Japanese.
Yo, yes, let's do the Japanese one. You know how much I love hentai.
Or your,
Oh, make sure you take your shoes off, by the way.
Yeah, I don't think she cares.
No, I think she does. This is, you gotta
might be a
understand,
spider, I
they're
don't know.
very specific with their culture. You gotta take your shoes off.
This is like pretty well kept for an abandoned
What
place.
kind of toilet is this?
I don't know. It's Japanese. They do weird shit over there. Okay.
Alright, found some locked doors, not like they're made of paper. Not like we could just, rip through them.
Each level not only has their own unique ritual objects and enemies, but side enemies that you have to avoid or burn with your UV light.
I would like to say, which sick bastard thought spiders would be a good idea?
The flashlight UV light is also used to ward off the main enemy when they're chasing you.
You like your flashlight? You like it a lot?
yes.
How often do you use your flashlight?
Often. Very often.
Often? Like every day?
Especially with this bitch. When you look at this bitch, you're gonna want to. I'm just
The
saying that
bitch we're
right
about to face is so ugly, you have no choice but to use the flashlight.
But if the main enemy gets you, you can be revived by one of your teammates. But if you all die before destroying the ritual objects, you lose. All in all, Devour takes what makes VR horror great and throws it into a nice little multiplayer package that's really dynamic and a ton of fun to enjoy. Everything from the classic janky indie VR mechanics to the never-ending jump scares.
Ah, fuck! Ooh. Ah! Ah, fuck! Oh. Oh, fuck! Oh, it got me! Oh, I can't move! I can't move! I can't move! I can't move! Hey, there's a rat right here. Somebody come get this rat. Somebody come get this rat. Ah! She's coming. Ah! Oh crap, she's gonna come kill me. Please rat, please rat. Ah, she got me. Ah! Oh, I hear her. She's right here. Where's medkit? Where's medkit? Oh, right there. Keep running.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ah!
Wow, that is a lot of jump scares. So anyways, I want to thank my YouTube and Patreon members. Not sure why you pay me to torture myself on camera, but thank you. I appreciate it.
Sam, washed up Hollywood actor, loves John Wayne movies and Satan, hates most people. That's me, guys. I love Satan and I hate you all. Y'all are a bunch of fucking scumbags. I don't like you. You're all trash.